Hey guys, my name is Sébastien. I'm from Germany and I recently started to learn Spanish on the platform iAmigo. I like to travel to Spain. My parents introduced me to the country when I was a child, and till this day I regularly travel there with friends or on my own. And so far I mostly used English to communicate over there when I was on my travels. And I finally decided, let's learn some Spanish. The only problem was that I already have a pretty full schedule with my main studies and my job. And I also like to work out, and I didn't quite know how to fit Spanish lessons in my day. But surprisingly, I found this really cool platform called iAmigo, which allows me to take my lessons from home online, and I have the full schedule flexibility. I can learn in the morning before the university, or before my job, or in the evening after my whole day. And I can decide how long my lesson should be this day, and how much energy I have left. And I was a little bit scared that it's too exhausting to learn Spanish after my already full day, but surprisingly it's really amusing to learn Spanish with this platform. It's really easy, and it sometimes it even relaxes me, and I think it's really awesome. So even after a long day of work and of university, I'm looking forward to start the website and to learn some Spanish. It brings me excitement, and sometimes I don't know how the time passes. I don't even realize. It feels like talking to a Latin friend sometimes, depending on the exercise. And I think this is really, really great. And I only can say everybody who wants to start to learn Spanish and was held back because of his schedule, or he didn't know if he has enough focus, I fully recommend iAmigo. I think you will learn really quickly without even realizing. And I think it's a great platform. The only thing left to say for me, head over there and try it out and see yourself. And I wish you much luck and much fun.